Alright guys, welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this nice, soft, not too glam, not under glam look, and I'm definitely super excited to share it with you guys. Also, if it looks like I'm like really stiff in the video, I was sick earlier this week and my body is still in so much pain, so I'm not going to be like moving around too much and like extraness. So if you want to know how to get this look right here, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and foundation off camera, and so I'm going to be taking the concealer collection by Measureable Difference, and I'm only going to be using the concealer. They have multiple shades in here to where I could use it for contouring, but I'm just going to do a powder contour today. So let's go ahead and get started with mapping out the face.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. I just need a time and place to come through.
Alright guys, so now that I have my face mapped out, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out. So let's go ahead and get started.
Won't you send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and set my highlight and I went ahead and did my powder contour as usual. And so for the eyes, I'm going for a nice, easygoing kind of look today. So I'm going to be taking the Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and the only colors that I'm going to be using today is just Stunner and Snazzy. And I'm not going to really do a color on the lid because I don't really feel like shimmering today. So we're just going to keep everything nice and matte. So let's go ahead and get started.
At times I wonder why I fool with you. This is new to me, but it ain't new to you. Initially, I didn't want to fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you.
Alright guys, so now that I have like a nice eye look going, I'm going to be taking these two mascaras right here and I'm going to be applying them to the top and bottom lashes. So let's go ahead and get started.
All for you, so don't take advantage or leave my heart damaged. Understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. So won't you send me your location?
Alright guys, so now that I have applied the mascara, I'm going to go ahead and dust off the setting powder. So let's go ahead and get started.
Location, let's focus on communicating. I just need a time and place to come through. So won't you send me your location? Let's ride the vibrations.
Alright, so now onto the blush, and so I'm going to be going ahead and using the Studio Makeup, and it is their Luminous Loose Blush Powder. Still not sure about how I feel about loose brush, but I definitely like this one. So let's go ahead and get started.
Vibrations, I don't need nothing else but you. No, I don't wanna fall in love over subtweets, no. Let's get personal, I got a lot of cool spots.
Alright guys, now it's time to go in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Press, which is pretty much a clever word for saying a highlight press powder. So let's go ahead and get started.
Got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. Oh, I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Tell me what's the vibe and I'll slide through. Oh, I might make you mine tonight by the end of the night. So won't you sing?
So as you can tell, I can't get enough of that highlight. Like, I just love it. It's golden. So now I'm going to be taking Omolewa Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking their color Becky, and I'm going to be applying this all over the lips. So let's go ahead and get started.
So won't you send me all your location? Let's focus on communicating. I don't need nothing else but you.
Alright guys, and this is simply the finishing look, and I definitely think this is okay if you want to do something like that's not super like glam and is kind of like on the natural side ish. Like it's not too much and it's not like enough, if that makes sense. It's like right in between. So I definitely love it. So you know me, I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, and I am out.